Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What is the best herb for ulcer? Gastric ulcers, or stomach ulcers, develop in the lining of the stomach. They are very common, affecting between 2.4 to 6.1% of the population. Various factors that disrupt the balance your stomach's environment can cause them. The most common is an infection caused by the Helicobacter pylori bacteria. Other common causes include stress, smoking, excess alcohol consumption and the overuse of anti-inflammatory medications, such as aspirin and ibuprofen. Conventional anti-ulcer treatment typically relies on medications that can cause negative side effects like headaches and diarrhea. For this reason, interest in alternative remedies has steadily risen and been fueled by both medical professionals and individuals with ulcers alike. Here are 7 science-backed home remedies for ulcers. Number 1. Licorice. Licorice is a spice native to Asia and the Mediterranean region. It comes from the dried root of the Glycyrrhiza glabra plant, and is a popular traditional herbal medicine used to treat many conditions. Some studies report that licorice root may have ulcer-preventing and ulcer-fighting properties. For instance, licorice may stimulate the stomach and intestines to produce more mucus, which helps protect the stomach lining. The extra mucus may also help speed up the healing process and help reduce ulcer-related pain. Thus, it's unclear how much dried licorice root someone would need to consume to experience the same beneficial effects. Number 2. Cabbage juice. Cabbage is a popular natural ulcer remedy. Doctors reportedly used it decades before antibiotics were available to help heal stomach ulcers. It's rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant shown to help prevent and treat H. pylori infections. These infections are the most common cause of stomach ulcers. In fact, several animal studies show that cabbage juice is effective at treating and preventing a wide range of digestive ulcers, including those affecting the stomach. In humans, early studies observed that daily consumption of fresh cabbage juice appeared to help heal stomach ulcers more effectively than the conventional treatment used at the time. Number 3. Honey. Honey is an antioxidant-rich food linked to a variety of health benefits. These include improved eye health and a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke and even certain types of cancer. Honey also appears to prevent the formation and promote the healing of many wounds, including ulcers. Moreover, scientists believe that honey's antibacterial properties can help fight H. pylori, one of the most common causes of stomach ulcers. Several animal studies provide support for honey's ability to reduce the risk of developing ulcers, as well as healing time. However, human studies are needed. Garlic. Garlic is another food with antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Animal studies observe that garlic extracts may speed up recovery from ulcers, and even reduce the likelihood of them developing in the first place. What's more, lab, animal and human studies all report that garlic extracts may help prevent H. pylori growth, one of the most common causes of ulcers. However, not all studies were able to reproduce these results, and more are needed before strong conclusions can be made. Garlic has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that may help prevent ulcers and heal them quicker. However, more research is needed. Number 5. Chili peppers. There's a popular notion among people suffering from ulcers that eating chili peppers too often or in large quantities may cause stomach ulcers. In fact, people suffering from ulcers are often advised to limit their consumption of chili peppers, or to avoid them completely. However, recent research shows that these peppers are unlikely to cause ulcers, and may actually help get rid of them. That's because chili peppers contain capsaicin, an active ingredient that appears to reduce stomach acid production and enhance blood flow to the stomach lining. Both of these factors are thought to help prevent or heal ulcers. To popular belief, regular consumption of chili peppers may help protect against ulcers, and perhaps even enhance their healing. However, more studies are needed, especially in humans. Number 6. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a plant widely used in the cosmetic, pharmaceutical and food industries. It is widely known for its antibacterial and skin-healing properties. Interestingly, aloe vera may also be an effective remedy against stomach ulcers. In one study, aloe vera consumption significantly reduced the amount of stomach acid produced in rats suffering from ulcers. In another study in rats, aloe vera had ulcer healing effects comparable to omeprazole, a common anti-ulcer medication. Number 7. Mastic. Mastic is a resin obtained from the Pistacia lentiscus tree, more commonly known as the mastic tree. Other common names for mastic include Arabic gum, Yemen gum and tears of chaos. The mastic tree generally grows in the Mediterranean region, and its sap can be dried into pieces of brittle translucent resin. When chewed, this resin softens into a white opaque gum with a pine-like flavor. Mastic has long been used in ancient medicine to treat various gut disorders, including stomach ulcers and Crohn's disease. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.